Hey folks, this is Joe from Smoking Joe's Barbecue. I've been asked to do a collaboration fall festival drink with Josh and Babe and Cooking with CJ. We're going to give our take on what we feel is a great drink. We're going to do a toasted almond with half and half cream. We're going to use Kahlua and Amaretto, and that makes a tremendous drink. And we're going to put some toasted almonds on top. But first of all, I want to give a shout out to Josh and Babe. Guys, I'm going to put a link down in my show more. You got to watch their channel. They're awesome people. They're great friends. I watch all their chats. They're really nice people, and they do great in cooking. And I really like those guys. They're fantastic. They're funny as get out. Also, Cooking with CJ. He's great. He does all the hot seat chats, brings people in and talks to them. He's a great guy, great cook. I watch him all the time. We comment on each other's videos, and we all get along, and I like those guys a lot. So now let's show you how to make our drink. We're going to start off with Kahlua, a shot of Kahlua. All right. Then we're going to take a shot of Amaretto. Okay. And we're going to use a little bit of half and half cream. This is what makes it right here, is the cream. Almost like a White Russian almost. Okay. Now we're going to stir this up, get this all mixed. I can't wait to taste that. I know it's going to be good. Okay, how we're going to do ours is we're going to put some Reddi-wip on top. Okay, and we're going to put our toasted almonds on. And there's our fall festival drink, guys. Let me do a little taste test on this because I know you want me to. Gosh, that's good. Reminds me so much of a White Russian. I guess White Russians and toasted almonds are on the same thing other than the toasted almonds on top. But I tell you what makes it too is the Reddi-wip. The Reddi-wip is fantastic on it. Just that little bit of the hint of the Reddi-wip is awesome. So guys, that's all I got for you. I just wanted to tell you, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. And I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. And I got a notification bell of my new videos coming up. Just click on that, you get them all. And I want to still give it one more shout out to Josh and Babe and Cooking with CJ. Like I said, they're great people. I wish I lived a lot closer to them. We all could get together and have fun. But I want to tell you all too, have a great holiday, and God bless you all.